on pose. It's been a while since we've done any footage. Forgot what I'm doing, it's been that long. So this one is just going to be a quickie bit of bodgery. My phone holder and the bowl on the end of it has come off, it's snapped. So we're going to do a bit of Flatcapjohn bodgery. So what I intend to do is I've got a small drill bit. I'm going to drill through the top of the bauble here, come out the other side, attach it back to where it should be. I'm also going to use some pipe weld, some Hoover snake pipe weld, just to also attach it as it should be. So if I put that back together, that's how it should have been. So let's get bodging. Screw to go through the hole, bigger screw drill. Now, I don't recommend doing this. I'm just going to hold it on the flat of the table. So kids, look away. Yeah. Go on. So like I say, you shouldn't really
be doing
all health and safety is going out the window here. Hey, there you go.
Yeah, they lost a finger.
Right, so now that I've got said hole through, what my intentions are is to put the screw through there, obviously, and screw into there, holding it in place. However, I don't want the head exposed, because otherwise you'll lose the play, for movement, which was not the best, hence that's why it snapped in the first place. So, my cunning thinking is, if I take it up the next size of drill, that should be just enough to make it a little bit easier for it to come through, because really it wants to embed itself in there. Yeah, so if you're of a squeamy disposition, look away. This cracked out the big guns, because I'm going in and I'm going in deep. Like everything else, when it goes flat cap, it goes completely peak tongue, and some things are best not seen on film, so there'll be a little bit of major editing. I need a little bit that's big enough just to obscure that head, because I've got a nasty feeling that the head's too wide for the ball. It's going to be close, folks, it's going to be close. Oh yes, there you go. Where's the big ball? Let's not mess around, come on. We're rocking this up some power now. Wouldn't be too bad if I had two eyes and was able to bloody see if I was straight or not. That's a bit, yeah. I think that needs to go a bit, yeah, I'm going to go a bit deeper than that. I'm not quite happy with that. However, I am happy with that. Well, put Billy Bob back in the old voice. Jaws. Down, down, and that is not exactly what I wanted. So that so far is a resounding success. Can't beat a bit of the old impact adhesive. Good plethora on there. Good jobby on there. Give that a few minutes to get tacky. We're back in the room. Right. as a lot of my videos are having to be done work permitting, etc, etc, because I work shifts, weather permitting because I work out of a little farting domestic garage. I am tempted to weld it.
Go on. See how it didn't come out last time. Get it in this time.
I've been encouraged to do a bit of plastic welding, folks. We're going into plastic welding mode. Bit of plastic welding. Whether it's going to work is a completely different thing. All I'm wanting really to do at the moment is get that to hold on so I can get the screw to come through.
Molten plastic. In a semi-closed space.
Good shit, man. Look at that, job's fixed. We'll have that down as a success. How scruffy and dirty and everything. So what I'm going to do now is, if I do it that way, you might see a bit better. It's just melt, or should I say weld, the plastic back in place. Obviously I don't recommend breathing anything in. And just take the iron gently. If it was any good. So, for all the skeptics out there that said if Bodge wasn't going to work, like I say, there was a little bit of a moment where we had a bit of a meltdown. Yep. There we go. As good as new. And we'll just see if it works on the old window. That's stuck on there.
Barely showing up because it looks like there's rapture going on outside. But yeah, it shows it's stuck. Albeit it doesn't look like a window, it looks just like a white square.
Whoopsie daisy.
Stuck a bit too well.
Till the next Bodge, I'll see you.